Our rose quartz Lovey Gua Sha is amazing for giving yourself a plumped pout. Just glide this over your lips 5 to 7 times. Then moving on to the under eye, start in the inner corner of the eye, gliding outward towards the temple. This is going to help with dark circles and puffy bags under the eyes. Just be careful and use light pressure. To relieve any sinus tension, use the same side and start at the bridge of the nose, working upwards to the brows. Then you're going to flip the gua sha to the ridged edge and start at the brows, working your way up towards the hairline. Completed all of those steps, then you're going to mimic them on the other side of the face. Of course, these are the targeted ways to use the rose quartz Lovey Gua Sha, but you can use this same tool to do your simple lymphatic drainage. Just to give you some background information on rose quartz, it is known to support heart energy, help generate cell renewal, and improve uneven or dull complexion. If you have sensitive or inflamed skin, rose quartz is going to be your go-to gua sha crystal.